It was a journey for us this year.
We dreamed.
We created,
We pioneered.
We collaborated.
We reached our goals.
but always as a team.
And
this
is what we've done.
Hello, I'm Marius, the team manager of Alacrity.
And my name is Tanya, and I'm the head engineer of the team.
Hi, I'm Tiforos, the financial and marketing manager of the team.
Together, we learn to take full advantage of our capabilities, to cooperate with and support each other. We realize that by working as a team, we can achieve more. And as our motto says, think fast.
Run faster! We are a team of 12 high school students. We are all different characters, yet we managed to work as a united team. We created a common vision, a common goal, full of passion and devotion.
To
Succeed!
In order to achieve this, we focused on project management, our marketing strategy, and engineering. During our presentation, further sectors will be analyzed, like innovations, collaborations, and lifetime experiences. Project management, it's the time for you to speak.
Project management is the heart and soul of every successful team, especially in a multidisciplinary competition such as F1 in schools. One of our first priorities was the allocation of duties among the team members. Furthermore, in order to increase team awareness, we organized events for F1 fans as well as motorsport enthusiasts. Our target group mostly consists of teens who are interested in STEM education with the sole purpose of informing them about how they can get involved in the F1 in schools competition in the future. The following events not only promoted the competition, but also our sponsors and acted as a return on investment. We hosted an event at our school informing parents and fellow students about this project, while also handing out leaflets during the authentic Marathon of Athens.
So, our name is Alacrity, an English word which has its roots in the Latin word alacer, which means fast. In modern English, our name indicates both the speed, the zeal, and the readiness, describing perfectly the dynamic of our team. To be honest, we have two logos. The main one is fit for rectangular surfaces, and the second one is fit for circles or squares. This was a key move in order to achieve the highest status of team identity we could. To make things clear, our first logo represents a minimal sketch of a car whose main line is created an A for Alacrity, whereas the second one is just a sketch of the main one, still maintaining the key A design. Our colors are blue and orange. Blue indicates trust, loyalty, and responsibility, while orange indicates success, pioneer, and speed. As far as our sponsor strategy is concerned, we managed to approach potential sponsors based on the policy of return on investment. We fine-tuned the benefits we could provide according to the amount of money the sponsor was willing to give. At this point, it is crucial for our team to express our gratitude to all our major and minor contributors for their continued support and encouragement. In order to become more popular, to spread the idea of the competition, and to promote our sponsors, we set up social media pages and a whole new website that we designed. Through daily posts, photos, videos, press releases, and interviews, we managed to both gather funds and thank our contributors.
All of the above frame our efforts for a fast car that will impress. Initially, we set goals for the vehicle. We wanted it to be fast and have minimal aerodynamic resistance. So, let's talk a little more specifically about our model car, which we are really proud of. Through many concepts, canvas research, we came up with our 2019 National Finals car, A19.
The design and manufacturing of A19 is more than unique. With clever design ideas, innovative techniques, and suitable material selections, we made what we believe brings us ultimate results.
The design's three main focus points are reducing friction, minimizing inertia, and utilizing the most of the CO2 cartridge's blast energy. Combining those three factors with an overall efficient aerodynamic profile, we can achieve maximum performance. To reduce friction, we used one hybrid ceramic bearing in each wheel because it could be assembled easily with the wheel system, while at the same time provide high strength and low friction due to ceramic SIN balls. In addition, the bearings we used were very small so that they could have a maximum RPM due to the low inertia. We also manufacture wheels from PEEK. The former polymer is used for many applications such as medicine, but it was the best option as it provides almost a frictionless profile combined with low density, which equals lower weight and therefore less inertia. Our last friction reduction innovation was Fuji Torzite eyelets. Those eyelets used in fishing rods to reduce friction and maximize efficiency.
Regarding the launch efficiency, we try to raise the center of mass of the car so that it meets the line of action of the CO2's blast thrust force. In this way, we reduce tipping moment and maximize launching efficiency. We also incorporated a 46 mm chamber in order to design so that the air stream further enhances the CO2 stream. The car's aerodynamic profile is remarkable as we achieved to drop the drag induced significantly by using small wings for small drag, 3D diffusers for improvement of the airflow in the rear in order to aid the air to stick in the rear diffuser and create better flow conditions behind the car. The front wing smoothly guides the airflow above the front wheels and above the car's catamaran chamber, while it supports structures, incorporate the ILEC system.
Perfect flow conditions are achieved in the rear of the car caused by the rear wing, which also helps in the further raise of the center of mass. We also designed the car to have some downforce in order to stabilize it during the races. For the same reason, we used very thin carbon fiber axles that can elastically deform a little and thus act like a suspension if the car hits a bump on the track. All the aerodynamic principles mentioned above were optimized in a virtual airflow simulator. In this way, we ensured maximum aerodynamic efficiency.
The final bodies of our cars were manufactured in a 4-axis CNC, while our wheels were made using both a CNC and lathing process. Our wings and all the supports on the car are made of durable resin, a CLA type resin that offers great strength and low density. In addition, due to its SLA nature, it can produce accurately very complex geometries.
Last but not least, to paint our cars, we used airgun spray painting as it provides countless color options and very good accuracy. The paint we used was acrylic, which provides a glossy and smooth surface.
At this point, it is very important for us to note our valuable collaborations. First of all, Alacrity Project helped us by offering their experience from last year's World Finals and useful advice about the competitions, since they were ranked 4th in the 2018 Singapore World Finals. Then we should thank the National Technical University of Athens, which allowed us to test our car in their wind tunnel and hence obtain realistic results.
We also worked with the students of prom racing from the National Technical University of Athens. They provided us with knowledge about engineering since their task is to manufacture a race car in a bigger scale and race it in the Formula Student Competition.
Advidea, an advertising company which has been supporting the team since day one, provided us with knowledge and their year-long experience on graphic design and marketing.
The Shotgun Fighters, who specializes in model bodies, has a history of over 50 years. It is only natural that all these years they have been perfecting their work. That's why their help in painting our vehicle with amazing precision and without eluding our given weight goal was very valuable.
Overall, we became acquainted with the ways of product development. We learned to work hard together and to communicate effectively. Despite the technical knowledge we acquired, we also managed to cultivate our critical thinking and problem-solving abilities due to increased level of competitiveness.
We became acquainted with the use of professional engineering software.
We created a marketing strategy
And we realized the importance of approaching sponsors by promoting our team.
We also learned to work with deadlines and get organized as a team abiding by the rule.
we obtained new friendships with students from other groups. In this way, we fostered a spirit of sportsmanship and fair play.
We evolved as personalities by becoming more responsible and collaborative.
We learned that if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you.
Through passion,
Devotion,
Collaboration,
innovation,
imagination,
teamwork. These principles have guided us through the competition, an experience which proved to be a whole new reality.
one that will be characterized by science,
technology,
engineering.
And mathematics.
Representing the Erasmus School, we are
Team Alacrity!